Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can connect Stripe to WooCommerce. So let's jump right in. First things first, head over to stripe.com/register and create a business account. This part is important. Only a business account gives you access to your Stripe API keys, which we'll need later. Once your account is created, stay logged in and keep the Stripe tab open in your browser. Now switch over to your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand menu, go to WooCommerce, then go to Settings, and once you're in there, click on the Payments tab. On the Payments page, you'll see a list of available payment methods. Look for Stripe, toggle the switch to enable it, and then click on Finish Setup to move forward. Next, you'll see an option that says Create or Connect an Account. Click on that. It will take you to the Stripe website. Since you're already logged in, Stripe will show you a list of accounts you can connect. Simply select the one you want to link to your WooCommerce store, then click Connect. If the connection is successful, your publishable key and secret key will automatically sync with WooCommerce. But if for some reason it doesn't happen automatically, you can enter them manually. To do that, go back to your Stripe dashboard. From the top menu, click on Developers, and under the API Keys section, copy your live publishable key. Then paste it into the appropriate field inside WooCommerce. Now to get your secret key, click on Reveal Key, and Stripe will ask you to verify your identity by sending a one-time code to the mobile number associated with your account. Enter the code, generate your key, and then copy it over to your WooCommerce settings as well. Once your keys are entered, we'll set up the webhook connection manually. In your WooCommerce Stripe settings, copy the webhook endpoint URL provided. Now go back to Stripe, open the Developers tab again, and click on Webhooks. Then hit Add Endpoint. Paste the webhook URL you copied from WooCommerce into the field, and give it a short description so you know what it's for. After that, click on Select Events, scroll down to the Charge section, and select all the events under it. Then click Add Events, scroll down, and click Add Endpoint. Once your webhook endpoint is created, you'll see a signing secret key. Copy that and paste it into the webhook secret field back in WooCommerce. Finally, once everything's filled out and connected, click Save Live Keys, and that's it. Your WooCommerce store is now officially connected to Stripe and ready to process payments.